Yeah, this is how you make broccoli cheese baked scallop potatoes right here. First, I took about 6 good-sized onions or potatoes, and I washed them up, and I cut them into little cubes, about 1 inch by 1 inch. Took 2 cans of cream of broccoli soup, half a cup of milk, about 1 cup of Parmesan cheese, about 2 cups of mozzarella cheese, bacon bits, French fried onions on the top. Mix that up real good. I'm gonna cover it up and bake it, and you're gonna have the best AuGratin potatoes ever. A little bit of garlic seasoning in there as well, but not much. And this is how you make this stuff, and I'm gonna show you what it looks like when it comes out. This is good stuff right here. It's a meal by itself, but it really does look good as a side. It'll come out like a broccoli cheese potato onion. And some fresh broccoli cuts that was in that mix. So there is literally broccoli in there and a different smoked Gouda on top of the mozzarella and the parm. I don't use cheddar. Okay, those bad boys are in for about 40 minutes at 425. You hear that? Hear that? See that cheesiness in there? Oh yeah. Yeah, and see what I got is I baked off some bone-in pork chops with some mushroom sauce that I made with the Lipton soup. I'm a big fan of this stuff. I make my gravies and stuff with it, and I threw some fresh portobello mushrooms on that bad boy. So we're gonna have that, and then peas and carrots with just a little bit. I'm weird when it comes to peas and carrots. I like them to be sweet and creamy. So they get a little bit of pancake syrup, just a little bit right there with some milk, and I mix it up, and it's good like that. But this stuff right here, that's what I'm talking about. Hear that? Do you hear it sizzling? Do you hear it? Yeah. Oh yeah. So that's what the girls are going to have when they come home. Daddy's going to be sure they got dinner for them. We got a little salad going on here. A little bit ready for them here in a few minutes when they walk in the door.